Всем привет! In this video, I will teach you how to count in Russian up to 1,000. Also, I put together a little study guide which you can download from the link in the description box. Did you know that Old Russia, Ruсь, for centuries used letters of the alphabet to represent numbers? And only in the early 1700s, when Emperor Peter I reformed Russian writing system, Arabic numerals were brought into use. Ready to start counting? Поехали! 0, 1. You can also say раз. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11 has two base words. Один, meaning one, na means on, and the second base is dzat, which comes from 10, 10. So we have 1 on 10, which is 11, 11. 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. If we look at the word, we can see two bases. Dva means 2, and tsat means 10. So we have 20 is 2 tens. To keep counting to the next 10, just add the name of the units to 20. 21, 21, 22, 22, 23, 23, and so forth. Now let's skip count by 10. 30, 40. You probably noticed that it is not 4 tens. Number 40 in Russian has its own unique name. There is a hypothesis that sorak was a type of measure. 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. 90 has 9 and 100 as base words, which could mean that it is 9 tens out of 100. 100. Now let's skip count by 100. 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 700, 800, 900, 1000. Очень хорошо. Very good. Now combine the names of units, tens, and hundreds to say the desired number. Like so. 57 will be 57, 284, 284, and 1613, 1613.